Hello and welcome to my channel Wonders of Price Action. This is the chart of gold on daily time frame. Gold now is gone up for a new high. This is the new high of the gold. And what was the low? Low of the gold was 1825. From 1825, the gold has gone for a new high at 1901. Let us move to the 4-hour time frame to watch the exact level. Yes, it looks me here 1901, though on the MT4 it was looking like 1899. It is the value that the gold is gone up to. Now there is no doubt the market is bullish. The gold is going up, but what do we expect now that after this low, this is the high? Do we expect a low or the market will keep going up? Any higher low above from 1825? Now there are two possibilities, 1865 and 1833. Let me put the horizontal line here. Somewhere here 1844 is also a level and 1834. For the next possible lows, these are the markets. Though after reaching somewhere here, I was expecting a low, but the market went up still. So from 1825 low, this is the high of the market. How do we expect that it will come down? For this, we will have to watch the MT4 volume, and I would like you that, and I hope that this will help us to understand why the market will make a new low and then will keep going up, because the trend is up, but the market, it feels like is going for a new low that is expected at 1865, 1844 or 1834, because below this then this will be the breakout downward. So as the market is bullish, so I don't expect that it will come down and break this low. Now let us move to the MT4, where I want to show you the reason that this market is expected to come down for a low. Let us watch this. From this low, the market is gone up from, I hope you are watching this, because sometimes I feel like that the MT4 setting is not good but I'm trying to set it, because sometimes we need to do this. Now where was the low of the market? This was the low of the market, 1825 point something, and now this is the high of the market, 1901 whatsoever this is. Now this, from here let us watch the volumes of all the hours. Okay, here an hour has a huge volume but lower than this, and this was a bullish. Okay, it went after consolidation, we don't see any bigger volume. Again it went up, and after hitting the high, this is the bearish hour that has a volume, that has a greater volume. we don't see from this level any hour that is as volumic, as big volumic as this is. Even this bullish hour is low volumic. It doesn't mean that the trend has changed, because this hour is also the part of this hour. So it means the market is bullish, but we are expecting some retracement here. But what are the expectations for this retracement? What are the conditions? Now, the breakout of this bearish hour. If the market breaks this to the upward, then this hour will have no bearish effect. The market will keep going up. And if that I am expecting from my analysis, the market breaks downward this hour, then there is high probability of a new higher low of the market. Now, and I am expecting this. Now let us again move to the trading view, where we are going to watch this on trading view. Now here, this is, now let us see, this is also 4-hour time frame. Now this was the low of the market. The market went up. We don't see any 4-hour selling power here, neither volumic nor any range of high range bearish. But this is a sort of doji that is a bit bearish. So it is expected that the market will come down for a low. It could be my thinking also, because we humans are not perfect. So if you find any of my analysis that, because I'm not perfect. We are all humans. We see sometimes things differently. So if you feel like that it is good according to your analysis, you agree with it, yeah, you like it, you may like it. If you don't feel it good, then you can dislike it, because we don't have to take things personally. So you can comfortably dislike also my analysis if you find it faulty, because I am a human also. And the main reason of this community, of the community of Wonders of Price Action, is to earn, to create the profitable traders and make this community profitable. Now, what are the low level, low, next low, higher low possibilities? According to my view, there are three. One is 1865, second is 1844, and third and last is 1834. And in this scenario, we do not need to put the stop loss deeper. It is exact 1, 2, 3 pips above this level. Because if it is broken, this won't be counted as the high, because then market will be going up to the 1910, because the level that I was expecting the gold to go to, in my, according to my thinking, you may say, that was 1910, but it is coming down from here. I feel like so. Now, if we are going to, because then it is high probability that it will go up to 19 or 10. Then why do we take much risk? So let us put the short position here, the short position here. what am I doing? This is still the horizontal line. I am going to put now short position. Now here is the short position, and there are 3 take profit options. This is the last, no more than this, because market could go back from here also, from here also. There are 3 options, not the 4th one. If it goes back to this, then it will be bearish market, because this is the last low of the market. Now where do we need to put the stop loss? In this scenario, we do not need to put the stop loss deeper, very close above this line. Now let me set the stop loss that be very near to this. Now what is this? I sometimes really confused, and I hope you understand things very well. So forgive me, don't forget me, keep me in your hearts. Don't forget me, please, but forgive me for these simple errors, because in adjusting these things I'm not good at. And please don't confuse yourself with all of this. So this is here is the entry and stop loss exactly above this wick, and there are these 3 take profit options. Thanks for watching. Please like this video, and if you don't like it, do not like it, you may dislike it, because we are here to share our ideas, and if something that you do not agree with, you may dislike it comfortably, because we don't need to take things personally. I don't take things personally, and there's one of my saying, and I keep saying, I say most of the time, I don't mind because I have mind. I am very thankful to you and coming on my channel, viewing my channel, and please share your comments, subscribe my channel, share with others. Thanks for watching. Bye for now. I will be coming in the next video with another analysis. Bye.